Hi, good morning to all. Here today continuation coordinate geometry. Okay, today class. Okay, yesterday class equilateral triangle problem finish. Okay, today next right angle triangle, isosceles triangle problems. Today class. Okay, all right. Here first today problem. Here in this today question, here show that the points form a right angle triangle. Okay, form a right angle triangle. Form a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. First we calculate length of the sides. Okay, AB, BC, CA. Alright, so here first in this given points, here in the solution here, in this given points let A is equal to first point here. Let A is equal to here 5 comma 1. Next one B is equal to minus 3 comma 7. Next one C is equal to here 8 comma 5. A, B, C. Okay. First we calculate length. Okay, length of AB. So length of AB is AB. Okay, AB is equal to square root of x1 minus x2. So here x1 minus x2 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. y2 is 7. 7 whole square. So that is square root of. See here 5 plus 3 8. 8 square. 8 square value is 64. Here plus next 1 minus 7 minus 6 whole square is 36. Okay, 36. So that is equal to square root of this total value 100. Okay, this total value 100. Okay, all right. So here in this value that is equal to 10. All right. So here next AB BC. Here AB BC value. Here BC is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square. So that is minus 3. Okay, here minus 8 whole square plus here y1 minus y2. y1 value 7 minus 5 whole square. Okay, that is equal to square root of. So here minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. Minus 11 whole square is 121. Okay, next one plus here see 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 2. 2 square value 4. Okay, so that is equal to in this total value is 125. Okay, 125. Right, next to CA. Here CA value. Here CA is equal to here square root of here CA x1 minus x2. So that is 8 minus 5 whole square. Here plus next one value 5 minus 1. Here 5 minus 1. Here 5 minus 1 whole square is equal to here square root of 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 square value is 9 plus 5 minus 1 4. 4 square value is 16. Okay, 16. So in this total value, so that is equal to here square root of 25. Okay, right. See here square root of 100 whole square is 100. 100 plus 25 125. This is coming here. Okay, so here first one last. See here first. So here right. See here AB square. See here AB square plus CA square. AB square plus CA square is equal to AB square. AB square means 100 here. Okay, AB square is 100. Okay, plus next one value CA square. CA square is 25. Okay, 25. Total value that is 125. Okay, see here square root of 125 value is BC. So here this total value is BC whole square. Okay, BC whole square. Okay, so here in this condition here, therefore here AB square plus CA square. AB square plus CA square is equal to here BC square. This condition satisfied here. Okay, so hence A comma B comma C. Hence here A comma B comma C here form a right angle triangle. Form a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Form a right angle triangle. Okay. So this is also same procedure. Okay, no change. Okay. Write one time this question. Only rough notes. Okay, rough notes only. Okay. See here next problem. See here next problem here. See here show that the points form an isosceles triangle. Form an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means length of any two sides are equal. Length of any two sides are equal. Right. See here first. So in the solution here, see here let A is equal to here first point here 5 comma minus 2. Next one B is equal to 6 comma 4 Next one C is equal to, that is 7 comma minus 2, A, B, C. Okay. Right, first we calculate AB. So here AB is equal to, AB is equal to square root of, so here x1 minus x2 whole square, x1 minus x2. So that is 5 minus 6 whole square, here plus y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 whole square. So that is square root of, so here 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6 minus 1, minus 1 whole square is 1, plus next one minus 2 minus 4, minus 6, minus 6 whole square is 36, okay, 36. So that is equal to this total value square root of 37, okay, square root of 37. Right, next we calculate BC, okay, BC is equal to, here BC is equal to square root of, so here x1 minus x2 whole square, x1 value 6 minus 7 whole square, plus here y1 minus y2, y1 value 4 minus into minus plus 2 whole square, okay, y1 minus y2. So that is equal to square root of, see here in this value 6 minus 7, that is minus 1, minus 1 whole square is 1, plus 4 plus 2, 6, 6 square value is 36. So that is equal to square root of 30, here 7, 37, okay. Alright, next we calculate AB, BC, CA, here CA is equal to, here square root of CA, okay, CA, okay, CA, x1 minus x2, so that is 7 minus 5, okay, 7 minus 5 whole square, plus next one value y1 minus y2, y1 value minus 2, y1 minus y2, minus into minus plus 2 whole square. So that is square root of, see here this value 7 minus 5, that is 2, 2 square value 4, plus next one is 0, okay, minus 2 plus 2 0. So square root of 4, this value is square root of 4, okay, right? Now see here, these two length of these two sides are equal, root of 37, root of 37. So these sides are here, so here therefore here AB, okay, AB is equal to, here BC, okay, length of two sides, length of these two sides are equal, okay. So hence A comma B comma C, hence A comma, here B comma C, here form, okay, form an isosceles triangle, form an isosceles triangle, okay, form an isosceles triangle, okay. So here easy problems, okay, all problems are procedure same, okay. First we calculate AB, BC, CA, next check conditions, okay. One question compulsory final exam, 5 marks question, okay, one question compulsory, collinear points 3 marks question, in this concept 5 marks question, okay. These questions compulsory questions final exam, okay. Write one time this question, okay, right. So here next quadrilaterals, here properties, okay, properties in a quadrilateral, okay, properties in a quadrilateral, okay, quadrilateral. So here first one is parallelogram, in this properties here in this diagram here, so here this is A, here B, next one C, D, A, B, C, D, okay, right. See here in this A, B, C, D, opposite sides are equal, okay, opposite sides are equal. So in this diagonals are not equal, this is A, C, next one this is B, D, diagonals are not equal, parallelogram. See here the quadrilateral A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. See here the quadrilateral A, B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D, see here A, B, C, D, here form a parallelogram, here form a parallelogram, if and only if conditions, here in this conditions, here in this first one, here in this first condition, opposite sides, length of the opposite sides, AB is equal to, here AB is equal to, okay, AB is equal to opposite side DC, AB is equal to CD, okay, comma, next step meaning here BC is equal to, here BC is equal to this side length, opposite is AD, okay, length of opposite sides are equal, first condition. Next here in the second condition here, see here in the second condition here, diagonals AC, okay, diagonals AC is not equal to, second diagonal is BD, okay, AC is not equal to here BD. These are the conditions. See here one more time, see here ABCD form a parallelogram, see here ABCD form a parallelogram if and only if first condition length of the opposite sides are equal. Length of the opposite sides, AB is equal to CD. Next, BC is equal to AD, first condition. Next here, second condition, length of the diagonals. So AC is not equal to BD. AC is not equal to BD. Okay, these two conditions are satisfied. ABCD form a parallelogram. So here next to rectangle. Second one is rectangle. See in this rectangle here. First diagram in this rectangle here. See here in this rectangle ABCD. Okay, ABCD. See here opposite, length of opposite sides are equal. Okay, length of opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. Diagonals. Okay, diagonals also equal. Right, see here. Here ABCD. Okay, ABCD. Here form a rectangle. Form a rectangle. Okay, if and only if. Here first condition. So here first condition is opposite, length of opposite sides. So that is AB. Here AB is equal to, here AB is equal to CD. Next meaning here BC. BC is equal to, here BC is equal to, here AD. BC is equal to AD. Next is in the second condition here. In the second condition, here AC is equal to here BD. Okay, AC is equal to BD. Length of the diagonals are equal. So in this rectangle, in this parallelogram difference, first property same. Okay, first condition same. Second condition, see length of the diagonals are not equal, form a parallelogram. Length of the diagonals are equal, form a rectangle. Okay, first condition is same, both are. Second property changing. Okay, parallelogram, diagonals are not equal, length of the diagonals. In rectangle, length of the diagonals are equal. Okay, right. Next is here rhombus square here. Okay, this is the rhombus, this is take square here, not rhombus. Okay, here fourth one. Okay, here in this fourth one square here. Okay, here fourth one square. Okay, square here, this is the square. Alright, see here first rhombus. Here in this rhombus here, in this rhombus, see here ABCD. ABCD form a rhombus. Okay, length of all sides are equal. Length of all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Diagonals. Okay, these diagonals are not equal. See here ABCD form a. Here ABCD. Here form a rhombus. Okay, form a rhombus. Form a rhombus if and only if. Conditions here if and only if. See in this first one. Here length of all sides AB is equal to, here BC is equal to, CD is equal to DA. Okay, length of all sides are equal. Length of all sides are equal. Okay. Next second condition here. Here diagonals are not equal. Diagonals here AC is not equal to, here BD. AC is not equal to BD. Okay. Alright. Next see here square. Square is, see here in this square. Square means length of all sides are equal. Okay, length of all sides. So that is A, here B, here C, D. Okay, length of all sides are equal. Next diagonals also equal. Diagonals. Okay, diagonals also equal. Length of the diagonals. See here. So here ABCD. Okay, ABCD. Here form a square. Okay, form a square. Here form a square if and only if. Conditions here. Here first condition here AB is equal to, here BC is equal to, CD is equal to DA. Okay, length of all sides are equal. First property. Next time in second one. So in the second one here, see here AC is not equal to BD. Oh no, AC is equal to BD. Here not equal, this is equal. Okay, this is equal. See here, this is equal here. Okay, this is equal. Okay, right equal. Okay, right equal. Right. See here rhombus square. Here rhombus ABCD form a rhombus. Okay, rhombus if and only if length of all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Rhombus. Okay, in square. See here in the square here, this is the rhombus, this is the square. Okay, this is the rectangle, this is the parallelogram. Right. See here ABCD form a square. First property, length of all sides are equal. Length of all sides are equal. Second property, diagonals are also equal. Diagonals are also equal. Okay, equal. Diagonals equal in a square. Okay. See in this difference here, square rhombus. First property is same, square rhombus. Second property, diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal, form a rhombus. Okay, diagonals are equal, form a square. Okay, form a square. These are the properties of quadrilaterals. Okay, 4 quadrilaterals. Okay, 4. First one is parallelogram, second one is rectangle, third one is rhombus, fourth one is square. Okay, 4. Okay, in this concept also one question coming. Okay, 5 marks question. Write first, only use rough notes. Okay, write one time. Okay, right? See here next. Okay, right? Today concept that one. Okay. Alright, today this problem homework questions. Here show that the points form a right angle triangle. Form a right angle triangle. Write this question. First write your rough notes this question. Okay, today solve this problem. Okay, send WhatsApp. Okay, send WhatsApp answer. Okay, I check one time. Okay, right? Write first question. Okay, right. Today class complete. Okay, today class finish. Today you also one more time read one time definitions for properties. Okay, properties of quadrilateral. Next properties of triangles. You also one time read and write. Okay, without seeing notebook, write properties. Okay, first read one time. Next, without seeing notebook, write properties in rough notes. Okay, today class complete. Okay, next continuation next class.